Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I didn't get the job.
Oh,
I know, you told me I wouldn't.
that's not what I said. Was this the catering thing?
Yeah. I thought it was something we could go into together.
I'm just not sure whether I have the time.
Anyway, I didn't get it, so you don't have to worry.
I'm not worried.
I know you're not.
That's not what I meant. That's not what she meant.
I've changed my mind anyhow. I want to go back to school.
What?
There's a course in journalism I've been looking into.
Journalism.
Well, I did that documentary course and the professor said my writing was great.
Yeah, but how much does it cost? How are you going to pay for it?
I knew you'd be discouraging.
I'm not. I'm trying to help.
Give me a loan.
I don't know.
I knew it. You think I'm some kind of loser, don't you?
Don't be silly. Yes, you're being silly. Stop it.
You never have any faith in me. You're always knocking my ideas.
I've given you honest advice.
Advice!
And I've helped you financially.
I didn't turn out the way you hoped. You're disappointed in me. You judge me.
I don't.
Not everyone is as gifted as you.
Stop attacking her. We came here to have lunch. Let's not fight. Let's just enjoy our time together.